Welcome back to SGS online class. Today in class 5 math I will explain chapter 10 measurement. What is measurement? Determining the exact value of unknown quantity by comparing it with known fixed quantity of same kind is known as measurement. What is important for measurement? Proper selection of unit and accurate value of fixed quantity. Why measurement? Measurement is the part of our life. How? Let's understand through the example of real life situation. Student, when we travel from one place to other place, we cover a distance and we want to measure this distance. And when you participate in sports, your sport teacher measures how tall are you and how heavy are you. So how tall means your height and how heavy means your weight. So student, this height, distance, they are what? They are length. So standard unit of length. Standard unit of length is meter. Now when we measure how heavy any object is, then we find out the weight. So standard unit of weight is gram. Standard unit of weight is gram. Student, liquid have no regular shape, so we calculate the volume by the capacity of the container they are holding. So what is the standard unit of capacity? Liter. So the standard unit for length is meter, the standard unit for weight is gram, the standard unit for capacity is liter. So student, there are some more unit. How we come to know that this length is the biggest length and this length is the smallest length? For that we use some more units. Now student, see, those units are kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. And these kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, these are in length also, weight also, capacity also. What we have to do? See here, this standard unit we have to add with this unit. If we are adding meter with this unit, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. If we are adding standard unit gram with this unit, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. When we are adding liter with this unit, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Means kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, these are common. And what we have to do? We have to add this standard unit according to our use. Means for length we are adding meter and for weight we are adding gram, for capacity we are adding liter. So student, in this way we complete our unit. There is a jump of 10 between two units. So student, this kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, this is written in descending order, means bigger to smaller. ये जो यूनिट लिखा हुआ है बड़े से छोटे में लिखा हुआ है. किलो सबसे बड़ा यूनिट है, मिली सबसे छोटा यूनिट है और दो यूनिट के बीच में 10 क्या है? 10 का जंप है. So there is a jump of 10 between two units. Kilo is the biggest unit, milli is the smallest unit, and it is written in descending order. When we convert larger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. बड़े से छोटे यूनिट में जब जाते हैं तो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और छोटे यूनिट से बड़े यूनिट में जब आते हैं तो डिवाइड करते हैं. जितनी यूनिट का हमको कन्वर्जन करना है उतने 10 से हमको मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. If we are converting this kilo to deca, if we are converting this 1 kilo to deca meter, so what we have to do? We will multiply 10 into 10. Means we will multiply by 100. Clear? But when we are converting decameter, 1 decameter to kilometer, what we do? We divide by 100. I hope you all have understood. छोटे यूनिट से बड़े यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डिवाइड करेंगे. एक यूनिट जा रहा है तो 10 से डिवाइड होगा, 2 यूनिट गया तो 100 से डिवाइड होगा. इस तरीके से कन्वर्जन होगा. So here I have written also, while converting a smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide, and while converting from larger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. And this kilo, hecto, deca, deci, this is common in all length, weight, and capacity. Only when we are adding this standard unit, then it becomes particular unit for the length, weight, and capacity. Now let's see some conversion. Let's see these examples. 1 kilometer, how much decameter? See student, kilometer length. Kilometer is the biggest unit, and decameter we are converting bigger to smaller. So kilo to decameter. So 10 into 10. What we do? We multiply this 1 into 10 into 10. So 100. So 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. Directly see 1 kilometer, how much decameter? We are multiplying 10 into 10. You can directly add 2 zeros and you can write your answer. Now 1 hectogram, see here 1 hectogram, how much decagram? 1 into 10. 1 hectogram, how much decagram? 10. So 1 into 10, 10 decagram. 1 centigram, see here 1 centigram, how much milligram? 1 into 10, 10 milligram. 1 liter, how much centiliter? See here 1 liter, how much centiliter? 10 into 10. So 1 multiplied 10 into 10. See student, 100 centiliter. We are multiplying this quantity by this 10 into 10 and we come to the result. So 1 liter, 100 centiliter. Same as we convert this smaller unit to bigger unit. See here 1 milliliter, how much centiliter? See here 1 milliliter, how much centiliter? So write this 1 milliliter, how much centiliter? Divide by 10. 1 by 10 centiliter. 1 decigram, how much decagram? 1 decigram, how much decagram? See decigram, decagram. 10, 10. So write 1 in the numerator and 100. Divided by 100. 1 decagram is equal to 1 by 100. 1 decigram is equal to 1 by 100 decagram. Now student, seeing the question directly we will solve this. 9 kilometer, how much decameter? See kilometer to decameter. What you have to do? Simply write this 9 and see kilometer to decameter. 10 into 10. Right, add 2 zeros here. 900 decameter. This is our answer. Now 5 meter, how much centimeter? 5 meter, how much centimeter? See this is meter and this centimeter. 10 into 10. So what you have to do? Write this 5 and add to 0. 5 meter 500 centimeter. 6 kilogram, how much gram? See, 6 kilogram, this is kilogram, how much gram? 10 multiplied 10 multiplied 10. Write 6 here. See how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Add 3 zeros. 6000 gram. Now 10 gram, how much decigram? See, 10 gram, how much decigram? Write 10. What we do? Gram to decigram. Multiply 10. So add 1 zero. 10 gram is equal to 100 decigram. Now 8 liter, how much milliliter? 8 liter, how much milliliter? See here, this is liter and we have to convert it into milliliter. 8 liter. So write 8 here. How much milliliter? See, 10, 10, 10. So add 3 zeros. 8 liter is equal to 8000 milliliter. Now 3 kiloliter, see here, kiloliter, how much liter? 10, 10, 10. Write 3, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Add 3 zeros. 3 kiloliter is equal to 3000 liter. So 9 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 900 डेकामीटर. यहाँ किलोमीटर है, डेकामीटर है, तो करना ये है कि यहाँ पर 9 लिख देना है और कितना मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है 10 का, देखो इधर 10 into 10, so 100, so we add 2 0, 900, ये 900 डेकामीटर है. 6 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू, see here, किलोग्राम, how much gram? 10 into 10 into 10, 310. So we add 3 0. अब इसमें 3 0 ऐड कर देंगे. 6 किलोग्राम is equal to 6000 gram. In this way we find out the answer or convert this bigger unit to smaller unit. Now smaller unit to bigger unit. What we do? We divide. 2 millimeter, see here, this is millimeter, this is centimeter. So we have to convert millimeter to centimeter. What we do? We divide by 10. मिलीमीटर से सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? We will write 2 in the numerator, 2 को न्यूमरेटर में लिखेंगे और नीचे 10 लिख देंगे. 2 by 10. Clear? You can reduce it and convert it into decimal also, like here to 510, and then you can easily convert it. 2 by 10 centimeter or 2 5 the 10. See, when we cut 2 5 the 10, 1 by 5 and divide this 1 by 5. 500, 5 to 10, 0.2. Two by 10 centimeter. And in decimal, I have explained that how to convert this fraction into decimal. So student, what we do? Write this numerator and how many zeros? Here 1 0. So leave this put decimal before this 2. So 0.2 centimeter. 0.2 centimeter. Clear? Now 5 meter, how much kilometer? See here, 5 meter. This is meter. How much kilometer? Meter to kilometer. See, 10, 10, 10. 3 times 10. So write this 5 and what we do? We divide by 1000. See, write 1 add 3 zeros, we divide by 1000, 5 by 1000, and if we convert it in decimal, what we do, write this 5 and then leave 3 digit. So starting from this 5, there is no more digit, so what we do, we add 2 zeros and then we put decimal, kilometer. So student, I am writing in fraction also, I am writing in decimal also. So 5 meter is equal to 5 by 1000 kilometer or 0.005 kilometer. Once again understand this. We have to convert this meter, 5 meter into kilometer. See here, meter to kilometer. 10, 10, 10. 3 times 10, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So I have divided by 1000 and now I have converted this fraction into decimal also. So when you are selecting the answer in optional question, you have to see both the answer. Whatever answer is given, you have to select it. Both the answer is given, then it means there will be option in which you have both the options. So you have to select that. Now 12 gram is equal to kilogram. Now gram to kilogram, see here, gram to kilogram, divided by 10, 10, 10, 3 times 10, so 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So write 12 here, divided by 1000. Now we convert it into decimal. How? Write this numerator, and how many zeros in the denominator? 3 zeros. So student, leave 3 digits. So here only 2 digits are here. So what we do? We add 0 and then we put decimal. So 0.012 kilogram. Now 6 milligram, how much gram? See here, this is milligram, we have to convert it into gram, divided by 10, 10, 10. 6 milligram, write 6 in numerator and 1000 in denominator. Clear? I hope you all have understood. 6 by 1000. Now what we do? Write this 6 here and see here 3 zeros, add 2 0, put decimal, write 0, gram. 6 milligram is equal to 6 by 1000 gram. This is milligram and this is gram. Milligram to centigram, centigram to decigram, decigram to gram. So what we do? We divide by 1000. Now 9 millimeter is equal to how much centimeter? See here, millimeter. 9 millimeter, how much centiliter? Write 9 in the numerator and we divide by 10. So 9 by 10 centiliter or 0.9 centiliter. Now 14 liter, how much kiloliter? 14 liter, how much kiloliter? See here, this is liter, this is kiloliter. Liter to decaliter 10, decaliter to hectoliter 10, hectoliter to kiloliter 10. So what we do? We write 14 here, divided by 1000. Now if we convert this fraction into decimal, so what we do? Write 14. Now add 1 0 because we have 3 zeros. Now put decimal, 0.014 kiloliter. .014 created. In this way we convert smaller unit to bigger unit. So student, this part is completed. Thank you.